Once upon a time, there lived a fierce tiger. He ruled over the forest and as his carnivore nature hunted his prey. One day, he was feeling very hungry. He looked around for prey and soon enough found prey and hunted it. As he started munching on his food, he felt something stuck in his throat. He felt soaring pain in his throat. He then soon realized that a bone was stuck in the throat as he was eating his prey. He tried very hard to get the bone removed from his throat, but he was unable to do so. Many days passed by. The tiger did not hunt nor could drink water because of the bone stuck in his throat. He was very weak and starving. The tiger thought to himself that he might die that day, and he collapsed on the ground. As he fell on the ground with his mouth open, a woodpecker saw it. The woodpecker asked, "Why are you lying on the ground with your mouth open?" "There is a bone in my throat. I can't eat or drink. I might die," the tiger replied. "I will remove the bone from your throat, but you have to promise me to share your food," the little bird said. The tiger agreed on the condition. Soon the bird flew into the tiger's mouth and removed the bone. The tiger sighed in relief. The next day the tiger hunted the prey and the bird flew in to ask for his share. The tiger then replied that he would not share his wood. He thought, what can a pesky little bird do to the fierce carnivore? The woodpecker was angry and reminded the tiger of the promise he made. "You should be thankful that I did not eat you, little bird," the tiger said. Hearing it, the bird got angry and pecked in one of his eyes. The tiger was hurt and then understood the power that the bird held. The woodpecker replied, "You should be thankful that I did not peck your other eye."